Welcome to my tutorial. I'm going to share how to convert the data into a table. So this is a sample data. I will just highlight it. Then you can see go to the insert table. Click on it and click OK. So now it's convert to the table format. Why we need to convert to a table format? It's more easier to see, easier to do sorting and color and also filter. So we can see all the filter here. And we can choose the theme for you to use the color. Also some of the design. You can pair out with it. And you also can remove the duplicate. You see anything you want to remove, like the position. Want to remove the duplicate for the position. So the advantage of using table. Thank you for watching.